He's in a much better place. When it came to you, we were kind of at our last, we thought of like, we didn't have any other options after this. And so
You had knee pain, right?
yeah, but he couldn't, like, he was a shell of himself, and I don't know if he would have continued playing if he couldn't figure out the knee pain part.
Right. How bad was the knee pain before?
Anywhere from a 5 to a 10, depending. It would get better, and then it would get worse again. It would get better. We were just caught in a cycle. So figuring out like the ankle strengthening and his foot strengthening, like, helped his knees a lot. And the other thing is, like, the next day he's better. So like he can, we're not at where we're like doing back to back every day yet, but we're getting there. Like so I am
shooting's better.
Shooting is a lot better. Confidence, and like, yeah, he can trust his body so that he can go out and play basketball. When you don't trust your body, it's hard to play.
Right.
Like 4 programs before this one. None of them worked.
Say it again, sorry.
We tried 4 programs for this. None of them worked. But now I can recover a lot quicker and play better.
Oh, okay, great. So you can shoot the 3 now. What was your last game performance?
I scored 15 points. I hit 4 threes and 2 twos, I think.
Really good. Really good. And how old are you now?
12.
Yeah.
And one other thing is I'm able to run up and down the court, and now I can also shoot better. So just being able to run up and down the court is better.
Right. I mean, I think when you were talking to doctors, did any doctors say that, oh, it's growth spurt, it will go away? Did they say that?
Yeah. So they just wanted us to wait it out.
Yeah, but that's not true, man. That's not true. Otherwise, how can we get rid of it so fast? He's still 12.
Yeah.
All right, very good. Do you guys recommend this to someone else who's struggling in the same cycle?
Yeah. 1,000%. If we had done this, 3, 4, 5 months earlier, like, we'd be in a better place. We wasted a lot of time and a lot of energy and a lot of effort if we had just been working with you from the beginning.
Yeah. Thank you. That means a lot.
This is stuff that's going to carry on. It's not like, like this is part of the journey. Like, this is stuff we'll continue to do. It's not like we're not just going to stop. So he'll keep getting better and keep getting stronger.
Right. I mean, the goal is Division 1, right?
Exactly.